Hi, everybody. I know that you guys were working on different kinds of angles, and I want to make sure that you're understanding how to name an angle. So, angles have lots of different kinds of names. You can name them by the points that are on the angle. You can also name them by how big or how small they are in measurement. An angle is really an amount of rotation. So when we're looking at set of clock hands, for example, and we see them, the hands change how far apart they are like that, that's an amount of rotation. Think about the doorway when it swings open and closed, okay? All right, so I'm showing you one of the examples from the homework, and it says to select all the correct names for the following angle. So it would appear that in this one, they're asking me to give names the way that we would name an angle with letters, the points that are on the angle itself. The letter D here is what's called the vertex of this angle. D has to be in the middle of the name, or it has to be all by itself. I don't see D all by itself, and there are two other angle names here that have D in the middle. But let's make sure that they would actually make sense. If I read BDC and I trace BDC in that order, I actually traced the angle. So that one works. Then I had this other one down here that I wanted to question because it also had D in the middle. C, D, B also made me trace that angle. So I'm pretty sure this one. But let's just try DBC. Let's trace in that order and see if we trace the angle. D, B, C. Do you notice how there's no line connecting B to C? That's why this is not a good name for that angle. I only want the angle that would connect